Oh man, yeah. We really want somebody who's gonna. Oh, we want somebody who's gonna hit that home run, make a real, bring all their relationships and an instant impact. And ooh, do you think they do it for 130 grand? No, no, no. And you know what? That person doesn't want to talk to your dumbass internal recruiter,
Mm-hmm.
and they don't want to. They don't want to go through an extended hiring process where everybody but the janitor wants to talk about their skills and ask them about they want to talk to the person that's going to hire them, the person that is going to, you know, they're going to work for the CEO of the company. If it's a small company, the CEO of the company, or if it's a big company, and they want to say, look, are we a good fit for each other? Let's
Yeah.
just cut to the chase. Are we a good fit for each other?
Yeah.
And that's what they want. And, you know, King Kong climbs to the top of the Empire State Building, who says, bring it on. He may die at the end, but Bambi did. But Bambi did too.
Yeah, I was gonna say, man. Oh my god.
Yeah. That's
Yeah.
kind of it. But do you get the analogy I'm making here? It's like
Absolutely.
when you come into the fight. When I was flying in the Navy, they used to call it limping into the fight.
Mm-hmm.
If you limped into the fight from a weak position, you got killed.
Yeah.
But if you came in hard, strong, fast, furious, in a strong position, you won every time.
Mm-hmm.
And now when the balance of power is shifting, companies got to move the mindset of, hey, if we want top talent, what do we got to do to get it?
Yeah.
And not only what do we got to do to get it, what do we got to do to keep them happy? Mm-hmm. And what do we got to do to keep them here? Because it's one of those markets where, hey, look, if, if we like a person, 3 or 4 other people probably do too.